Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the update proceeds without interruption. Check your operating system version and ensure at least 10% free disk space. This prevents partial installs. Close the app and any related background processes and save your work. Once done, backup app data or settings to a local folder or cloud storage so you can restore if needed. Finally, open the App Store or the app's built-in updater, and locate the update entry to start downloading immediately. You now download and run the installer, focusing on integrity and permissions. Use the app's built-in updater or the official store to get the correct package. Avoid third-party sources. Monitor the download progress and check file size or checksum if available so you catch corruption early. When ready, run the installer as administrator to allow necessary file replacements. Follow prompts, choose recommended or custom options intentionally, and allow permission changes. Once installation finishes, let the system finalize any post-install scripts before moving on. Finish by validating that the update achieved its goals. Restart the app and exercise core features such as login, file operations, and syncing. If settings or data appear missing, restore from the backup you made. Make sure file paths and permissions match. Should the app fail to launch or behave oddly, check the installer and app logs for error codes, try a clean reinstall, and reboot the computer. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates fail repeatedly, create a support ticket with logs attached so developers can reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.